Now that you've seen your traditional workstation, there's a few things that I want to talk to you about this. The reason why we designed this table the way that we did with the two brackets in the back is so in the future, if you buy a traditional workstation and you want to make it a sensational workstation where the tabletop will tilt also, it's very, very simple to do. It's as simple as this. You're simply going to just remove the two brackets that go on the back of the D-Runner, and then with the upgrade, it's $1,500. You're going to get the two 6-inch actuators. That holes are already on the table that you've purchased. So when you purchase the traditional workstation and you see the extra holes there, the extra holes on top of the table and the extra holes in the legs, that is going to be for the mounting brackets for the 6-inch actuators. So it's literally this easy. You put the mounting brackets for the 6-inch actuators, you add the 6-inch actuators, and you're going to get a brand new power box and a brand new remote. Now, the remote that you're going to get, instead of having 6 buttons, it has 8 buttons, okay? And so this is how the features work. So the single button on top is for one single leg. It has single arrows up and down. The next side has single arrows up and down, and that is for the other side. Then the next row, you're going to see double arrows. Those double arrows are to raise and lower the legs at the same time. And then what we have added is the bottom row, which is going to make the tabletop tilt up in the front. So the actual tabletop. Now, the difference between the traditional and sensational is when you buy the traditional, it's less money and only the legs tilt. It's not until you buy your upgrade of the sensational that will allow you to have the tabletop tilt. And it's as easy as getting the hardware, the power box, the remote, and the actuators as a $1,500 upgrade, and it just takes minutes to upgrade your table from a traditional to a sensational. Now, here's the caveat. If you're watching this video, then that means you've watched it to assemble the traditional workstation. So if you're purchasing the workstation that we just did the assembly video for, that means you have the ability to upgrade. So anything after September of 2024, any traditional that is purchased after September of 2024 will have the ability to upgrade to the sensational. If you bought a traditional workstation and it was before September of 2024, it will not have the ability to upgrade to the sensational. So if you're watching this, congratulations, because you are one of the ones that will be able to buy the upgrade in the future.